Hi again. This is part 2 of our Barline hit game. So you can get more practice and you'll be a pro at knowing where to put the bar lines and how to read and divide a song into measures. Today we are using different instruments at home, homemade instruments, to give the signal where the bar line should be. Let's do the first line together. Remember, the top number is the really important number, and that tells you how many beats should be in each measure. So this time, instead of using the blue line like we did in the last video, we're going to use just the black line, which is exactly how it would look in real music. So let's do our first one together, and we can have 3 beats in a measure. If you forget how many beats the notes and rest get, refer back to the chart that shows the note values for each note, and that will help you very much. Okay, here we go. And this is where our bar line would go. We have 1 beat plus 1 beat plus 1 beat of silence equals 3. And here's our next bar line. We have a half plus a half, which equals 1 whole, plus 1 equals 3. Now our 16th notes are a little more new, but we have each one gets a fourth of a beat. So 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1 whole. And our bar line would be right here. This is all 1 beat plus 1, which equals our 3. Our last bar line, and if it's the end of the song, you would put a double bar line. Let's check. We have a half plus a half equals 1 whole. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Let's see if you can do. We had done this example on our last video, so let's go ahead and jump to these next two here. Now we have a dotted half note equals 3 beats. Let's see if you can get your instrument ready, your pot or pan, or a couple spoons, or a horn, or a whistle, anything you have, like a party horn that's from a birthday. And here we go. Okay, how did you do? Let's see what the answers are. We only can have 3 beats in each measure. So the first one is here, because that's already our 3 beats. 1 beat plus this half note gets 2 beats. So our next one would be here. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And our half note gets 2 beats plus 1. So our next bar line would be here. Now eighth notes can also look like our flags. So this would be a half plus a half equaling 1 whole, just like our eighth notes are. So we have 1 whole plus 2, and that would be our last bar line there. If you needed more practice, rewind it and try it again. Let's go on to our next one. Now we can have 4 beats in each measure. Okay, let's see. If you need to rewind it and do it again, you might want to practice and do it a second time, but let's find where the bar lines are. Our first bar line goes here because we already have our 4 beats for our whole note. Our dotted half note gets 3 beats. 3 plus 1 equals our 4. 2 beats for the half note plus 2 more beats equals 4. 1 beat plus these together equal 1 beat. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 2, which are equaling our 4. So I'm sure you're getting to be a pro now. So we hope you had a great time doing this. Bye-bye for now.